Flip the paper. Take the paper out. Flip it over, maybe.
Maybe you got too many pieces in there.
Yeah. You don't need that much paper. Do
Maybe you only need 180 instead of 195.
That's all. Well, she had too much paper.
Leave one soul saved. Something's wrong with this.
It's hard to move.
Mine has to be flat down. It can't be sitting to feed the paper.
Russell can't
Mine
fix it.
flat, gotta come down where it feeds in straight.
Whole deal of this, I still don't know how to work this.
I'm
Russell?
saying that because I'm in here asking Russell to help me.
I got the same little printer that works.
Alright, Monkey, show him how to work it, because
Because he's doing the same thing I do. It just looked like to me something hung in the back of it or something. There you go.
Did you fix it, Russell?
She's just sitting there, Russell's over there.
Paul's printing.